Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. You may have already seen my gold drip video. If you have, please keep watching. Thousands of people tried this new technique, and I learned one thing really important I need to share with you. All right, let's do this. Let's get smartistic. Most cake artists achieve a silver drip by dripping white chocolate, and after it hardens, making a silver paint by mixing silver dust with alcohol and then painting the drips. But what if you don't want white chocolate on your cake, or you find painting drips extremely time consuming? I know that I do. This has motivated us community of cake artists to try to come up with a recipe that actually the whole drip is silver or gold. Now I've seen a lot of recipes out there that are silver dust mixed with alcohol and powdered sugar or extract of powdered sugar. And that works really well, but it doesn't taste the best. So I came up with a new recipe, just one ingredient added to the dust. It's thick, it's clear, it's probably hanging out in your kitchen right now. Ringing any bells? Very simply, vegetable oil. Mix the oil and dust at about a 1-to-1 ratio, but start with less oil than that and slowly add it, because we want this as thick as we can get it, where it just barely drips down the cake. If you taste that drip by itself, you barely taste the vegetable oil. And then when you add it to a cake on top of buttercream, you think about it, buttercream's mostly fat and sugar, so vegetable oil being a fat just blends right in. So the most important thing I learned from posting my gold drip video, I received a lot of super positive feedback, but I did get a percentage of people who had the same issue. They said that after they dripped on their gold drip, when they came back to their cake later, the oil started to drip down beyond the gold drip. So not good. I'm so sorry, you guys. That's horrible. So I hypothesized that perhaps there's some gold dust that mix well with the oil at first, but then later separate. So I really urge you to take an upside down cup, cover it with your material you're going to be putting your drip on, be it buttercream or fondant, and then drip it on that, and pretend that this cup is your cake now, and put it through the same process. If you're going to be putting it in and out of the refrigerator, if your cake's not going to be eaten for 3 days, leave this out for 3 days. Make sure the drip stays intact. I really think it's worth it, because once you test it, know that it works. It is your new go-to. It's so easy. Before I forget, the silver dust I use in this video is Bakell Silver Luster Dust. You also have to make sure that your dust is tasteless, and I tend to prefer edible because some non-toxic can taste kind of gritty. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.